again you have done inspection today. Today is 17th. 15th was the deadline. You feel everything is done?
Yeah, basically we have given deadlines for our own satisfaction. According to us, everything is falling in place. Few things which need to be done over a period from 16th, 17th, 18th. By 19th, most of the things are going to be in place. By 20th, we are 100% ready for the exposition.
So when you say few things, what is anything remaining that you could
Basically, within the cathedral area, certain last-minute changes which have been done. Due to that particular recommendation of a change, there is a slight delay in getting the work done. But nevertheless, by 20th, we should be in place.
Whichever issues may be, or whichever things may be, security, putting these pandals, everything is done then.
For all purposes, work is going on, and the deadlines what we have kept, we are trying to keep to those deadlines. But nevertheless, by 20th, as we have said, both from Father Henry's side, Father Lawrence, we have taken a recce today, and we are satisfied with the quality and the quantum of work what has been done, and we have a guarantee that by 20th we will be 100% ready for the exposition.
Any more instructions given to your officers from your side?
Yes, I've asked them to increase the pace of the work and ensure that most of the things which need to be done are done by the 19th, so that 20th we get one day to do few teething problems whichever are there, maybe we can sort it out.
Father?
As Sandeep has said, we are ready for the exposition and we are happy for that. We have been collaborating closely for so many months now. From the side of the church, we are ready. From the side of the government also, we are ready. As Sir has said, by 20th, things will be in place. We are also concerned that there should be no inconvenience to any people or pilgrims who come here. And for that, we have taken the utmost care. Exposition is also a mega event. No? Thousands of people will come. Some things, the teething problems, the first few days will be always there, no? Which will be sorted out. But from our side, whatever we had promised, whatever we wanted to do, we are ready for that.
आणि किती सांगला तुम्ही as far as the government officials सर बाबा आणि किती उल्ला बारीक उल्ला?
No, as I have said, whatever was requested, whatever was executed, few things are being still done, but they will be ready by another 1 or 2 days. They'll be ready because of the rains, because of some decisions that we had to retake those decisions. But we are ready. We'll be ready, and we are working very closely with the government.
Over 90% complete झाला म्हटलं जातं आता?
More than 90%, I would say.
So you are satisfied?
Yes, we are satisfied.
Father, you have been a coordinator म्हटलं जातं between government and the church. So हे आता कसं पडतं? Because you have also been a part of all this.
Yes, as Sandeep and Father has said, we are on the course of finishing all these jobs. By 19th, everything will be over. We can see so fast progress. And I'm a very positive person. You can see the energy that is there of all the government officials who are gathering every day in the secretariat offices. Some are on the field. We have to really give it up to so many of the workers who have not even gone for Diwali vacations. You know, these are the things that are really heartening to see from the side of so much of response from the side of the CCP, from the Panjim Municipal Corporation also. They have also come in with their workers to clean up the area. Our concentration for the next 2 days will be cleaning up the entire area. Whatever we see on the roads, on the sides of the road, we will have a huge manpower from the Panjim Municipal Corporation, and we will be tackling each and every issue. Even this evening we are meeting to take finer details about all that we have done. Tomorrow we have a recce, complete rehearsal. Then we will be meeting up very frequently for, you can say that for the next 2 days we will be here on this station.
You may take the Basilica Mundaka, say Cathedral Mundaka, surrounding area, and then the other areas. So everything is in place now?
Everything, the big infrastructure is already in place. As Fathers and Sandeep sir has said, that the little cleaning has to be done, that we are getting it done from today. More manpower is employed.
So we can say now that we are almost geared up.
Yes,
now.
we are satisfied, as we have always said, that government is working so hard its officers are working so hard, and the workers, every laborer. We would want to say a word of appreciation and gratitude to each and every person who is working so hard. Sometimes they go unnoticed. We want to thank them from the bottom of our hearts for putting up such a wonderful, effort in all this.
समटायम्स पयलीं चिंतलेलें बाबा हें कशें जातलें जावचें ना टायमार जातलें म्हणून पूण आतां पळय जाल्यार दिसता तर
हय आमच्या घरांनी लेगून आमी तर एक इव्हेंट आहा इफ वी हॅव एन इव्हेंट एट होम यू सी इवन द लास्ट मोमेंट वी आर रनिंग अराउंड प्रिपेरिंग फॉर दिस होम हाउ यू कॅन एक्सपेक्ट सच अ मॅसिव इव्हेंट everything to be on place, everything to be on. There will be some teething problems even to the last day. We will sort them out.
थँक्यू
I would like to say that with the strong support of our Honorable Chief Minister and our Law Minister as well, they have been very supportive, and with their support we have been able to bring this infrastructure to this particular level. And in a special way, I would like to also put it on record the wonderful help which has been rendered by our Mayor of CCP, Mr. Rohit Monserrat, for all the additional support which he has given through his cleaning efforts, and he has also been gracious enough to help us out in dedicating the road right from Divja Circle to the Old Goa the Bakia property and the other side on the highway as well. So the CCP is helping us out with decorating the roads which are leading to Old Goa so that it gives a festive look, and in all fairness we are getting good support from the CCP. So I would like to place my appreciation on record.
Through this medium also we would want to tell the people that from tomorrow the churches will be closed for the tourists. Order to this effect has been issued already by the collector.
देर इज अ परसेप्शन इन एवरीबडीज माइंड लायक हे रोड्स जातले काय म्हणटा टायमार कित्याक अजुनूय रिबांदारचो रोड उरला
All the roads basically by and large are ready except the one from Ribandar to Old Goa. Unfortunately, because of the rain, the plant could not be worked out. But nevertheless, the collector has issued to a plant wherein they will dedicatedly help the PWD in executing the work, and by 20th we should be ready as far as the Ribandar Old Goa road is concerned.
हॉट मिक्सिंग
Hot mixing.